Open the box. You will see all the following accessories. Remove the device cover. Plug in the device. The equipment will automatically start up, without the need for any start buttons, until the red light starts flashing rapidly. You can connect to the device's Wi-Fi. Check your device UID. Find the Wi-Fi called BlinkXXXX. Enter the password. Open the Lizvie Pro app. The camera will automatically switch to the video page. How do I connect to my home network? 1. Click on the settings icon in the upper right corner. 2. Click on network information. 3. Click Wi-Fi manager. 4. Find your Wi-Fi. 5. Click on password and enter your Wi-Fi password. 6. Click apply and wait for the device to connect to the network. The page will jump to the device monitoring screen. Wait for the prompt Wi-Fi setting successfully. How to connect the battery? Insert the battery lead wire. Wait for 30 seconds. Red light flashes rapidly. Equipment starts up. How to charge a battery? Method 1. With the device powered on, connect it directly to the battery. A green light illuminates. Battery is charging. Method 2. Remove the fast charging board. Use a Type-C data cable to power the charging board. Then connect it to the battery. A red light illuminates. Battery is charging. If the product's network indicator light is visible, cover the light source with a blackout cloth. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us.